Yum.
As you know, during last on 3rd May 2023, some unwanted incident happened in Churachampur, Manipur during the March Solidarity March, a peace rally organized by some groups in Manipur, and from that there was some clashes between the two groups of people in Manipur, and so many houses were burned down, so many lives were lost, and many people have fled away, leaving their home behind, as all the houses are burned down by some miscreants people. So many people from hilly areas, from foothills, and from Churachampur, from Meira, all these people are fleeing from hilly areas to the plain people in Manipur to save their lives, and so many innocent people lost their lives. So, and these people who are camping in the relief camps, they are all suffering, right from the small children to old people, these young people, and those suffering from these hazardous this thing. Our people, there's during this incident, so many people lost their lives. So we, Khuman Club and Khuman Paibi of Lakhipur Kachar, Assam, have organized this peace rally to pray to the God Almighty, so that those innocent people who lost their lives, their soul may rest in peace in heavenly abode. And as well as we want that there should be this thing. We want to save Manipur, and integrity. Our integrity should be safe integrity in Manipur, and all peoples, all different communities staying in Manipur should stay there, should live there peacefully with communal harmony, without any tension, so that we people staying outside Manipur also can live in peace here. And with all this, today's peace rally we have organized on praying to God that those lives who have lost their lives, those innocent people, their soul may rest in peace. With this, I want to conclude this thing.